welcome back to our channel. So I'm pretty sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys are aware that Anaya and Imania are my daughters.
Yeah, and we have our own channel. Make sure you check that out.
Oh my god.
There
she goes again. So today, we do beautiful stuff. So today we have a very exciting video for you guys. And
but before you say that, we have a guest. Today we're going to have Marina join.
Is she not?
Yes.
Okay, so today we have a very exciting video for you guys. We're gonna be showing our Miss A haul. Yay!
So today Miss A sponsored this video. So we had a budget to spend and we bought a lot of goodies that really helped to trips and lots of cool essentials. Yeah.
Everything that you will be seeing in this video will be only $1 a piece.
Yes.
Can you believe that?
Oh, and guys, guess what? I just turned 7!
Oh, and she just turned 10. Okay, perfect. So, moving on, let's take out everything. Now, Mani, can you guys help me?
Sure. Okay. Let's put this two plastic bags. Whoa, party!
Party time.
Whoa, that's something big. Oh, you got it. Did you get something that's really big, Mom? Oh, wow. I see another big item.
Okay, hold on guys, hold on. Okay, that I want to mention right before I start the video is today we're gonna have a giveaway! In the rules. So I'm gonna set up some rules for you guys. I'm gonna be sharing them on my Instagram. You will be able to win a free Miss A spree. So even if you're not living in the United States, you can get it anywhere in the world.
Oh, and Miss A online shopping has lots of varieties you can't even find in Miss A. Yeah.
That's right. So online store is actually bigger than the regular store. We really wanted to show you the in-store experience, which will in future maybe.
Yes.
Because whenever we go to the mall, we have to make at least one stop at Miss A. Like both of them, they have to get one thing. I'm like, okay, you got $1 each. Get anything you want, and they go crazy because they cannot decide what to get. You know.
There's so many cute things in Miss A, even more on online.
That's right.
You should shop online. Panda buns. Anyway, can I start?
Yes.
Okay. So the first thing we have is these little compact things. They're little brushes. And she has one. Our little cousin Elena has one.
Let me show you Imania's. What you do is you open up the brush, you push it out, and then can I borrow you here?
Yes.
So you just brush it out like that.
Yes. So, and also, since you guys know I love purple, I got purple.
Which one did you get? The blue?
I got this pink color and
this is mine? Oh my god, it's okay. I'm not even ashamed. So this is mine because I also need a hairbrush all the time.
Yes.
And the cool part, what I love about this is that it comes with a mirror. Can you believe that? So we got we got 4 of them because we were so excited. We loved all the colors, so we ended up getting so many colors.
Guys, they should actually make lots of adults for these.
Yeah, because the only option I had was a unicorn.
Yeah.
But I ended up still getting it because I love it so much.
Some people are a little weird. No, not weird. I'm sorry to offend you. Some people just hold their purses, but they put it somewhere and they end up losing it. So this has a keychain on it, and
let her finish, and then I'm gonna tell you. Okay. What I like about this little purse is that it has a little keychain.
Yes.
And what I would do, I have so much change. I would just click it open. And I would just put a lot of change in here.
Yes, and it's so cute and so many designs. You should get this. Like, it's very handy. Oh!
So I am going to show you is my favorite one because as you can see, we all have so much hair.
Yes.
So much hair. Like, it's not even half of it. Like, I have a lot of hair.
Yeah, you have so much.
I definitely needed something because whenever we come out of the shower, even if you have like one towel here, one towel, our towel is dripping with water and then we have it's hanging down because we have so much hair.
Yeah.
So we need something to tie our hair up quickly. Can you believe this real cool microfiber hair towel? It dries your hair faster without the frizz. So that's the cool part. And this is what it looks like.
And it's really big. And so many sizes and choices.
It had so many colors too, right?
Yes.
But the day when we were choosing it, they were out of the color options.
Yeah.
But the next day when I already ordered it, they were back in stock. So that was...
Miss A Online has lots of features. Look.
So this is
perfect for mom's hair because look at all that. It fits perfectly. It looks interesting on her, but
I think it's gonna be really handy during winter.
It's so soft, guys. I wish you could feel it right now.
And then you can tighten it up, and then you're good to go. You can do your stuff, and then you open it up, and then you blow dry your hair. So
and you know those features when like girls have long girl hair problems, guys. Yeah. And so much hair, the towel gets heavy and.
That's right.
Yes. Oh, and guys, before we move on, don't forget to subscribe.
That's right.
Yes.
That's a good reminder. Thank you so much, Imania. Yes. Do not forget to subscribe because we're going to be making a lot of these cool videos, even in future.
If you want to see a new one, you have to subscribe. So, and comment down below.
Okay. I ended up getting 2 of these, and I might order some more because I think they are going to come very handy, especially for us girls because we are more girls than the boys in this house.
Yes.
So we need these, you know. So I highly recommend this. And can you believe it was just $1 a piece?
First, before I jump on, Maya, can you turn around? Yeah. So these are actually kind of trendy. They're very cute and they just tie your hair up perfectly.
Can I make a pause here? Do you remember Imania's being here this long?
Yeah.
Past her hip line? Now it's cut short because the school was starting and we had to cut it off. And so many of you guys were so mad at me on Instagram for cutting her hair. But guys, she was sick and tired of her hair because she was like, oh my god, mama, I can't brush it. So for school, and they're gonna grow back. So just for school, you have to cut it. But this band makes her excited every single day she wears it to school.
And guys, also her hair was so long, we were every day late for school.
Yeah, that's right. But so we ended up getting 2, and I'm regretting it why I didn't get more because Imania wears it you can see it, she wears it every single day.
Yes.
They're easily washable, they're silk. It has a band, and then let me open it up.
And there's so many prints in design.
Here. This print was so cute. It's gray and yellow.
Yes.
This one is like more of like a blue, pink, and all of those colors.
Yeah, it's like nature. It's like tie-dye.
No. Okay.
And look at these. They're just too cute. Especially for girls like me who have short hair and it's starting to get long.
Excuse me, me too.
Yes.
Yeah.
And short hair. And me. And my favorite one has to be
I love this.
They're so soft.
They are so soft and fuzzy. Let me show them from up close.
Yeah.
Look at this white one, and then look at this beige one.
Oh, guys, we bought so many before we even like.
This is gonna be so cute during winters, right?
Yes.
Because they're like so warm and fuzzy and cozy.
And it's like totally the theme, guys.
And then the most important thing, they're very comfortable. It doesn't hurt the back of my head because I remember getting random headbands and they used to hurt the back of my head.
Oh, and also they were made of metal.
That's right.
These are actually plastic, but they're so durable and like unbreakable, like literally.
Look at them. They're so cute. I love them.
Guys, there's so many prints and patterns. And guys, if you don't want a fuzzy one like this, there's so many prints and patterns at Miss A and this website.
I did get this pearl headband that we can share, of course. We can take turns. Can I borrow it from you guys sometimes?
Yeah, this is more exotic.
It's so cute.
Yes,
like,
and we're on adults and guys. I just want to point out, these are very cute headbands.
You guys know that I am a skincare junkie. Okay, people rave about their makeup collection. I rave about my skincare collection. You know, there is a saying that do not ever invest in cheap skincare products. I agree with that. Just if you do not remove your makeup properly, it clogs your pores, and then you end up
and you feel a little crusty on your.
And then you end up getting acne. So what I do is, instead of just going in over and over with makeup remover, I try to use like little makeup removing wipes. Okay, so I'm not talking about the pre-wipes, you know, that comes in the package. I'm talking about this kind of little towelettes. Look at this one. It is super soft.
Can I get?
Yes. And it might look like a small towelette, but it's actually not. It is the best makeup removing thing ever. All you need is a little bit of water and then start rubbing it on your skin.
So, one thing I have
just like that.
Yeah.
So you make it a little bit wet and then you start rubbing. Is it soft?
Yeah, it's very soft.
It's the best thing ever. I already have one from this big famous brand from Sephora in my bathroom. But trust me, I know I'm gonna be using this a lot because first of all, $1 only, and second of all, super soft.
Yeah.
And I you know what, I'll try to show you in a video how it performs, but I'm very excited to use it. So I have a liners. As you can see, you have to clean the liners. You cannot use like super hard brushes on it. So I ended up getting this bamboo brush, which is very expensive if you get it from Target or Walmart. But I ended up getting it from Miss A because I saw it. I was like, what? They have this brush. So this is how the brush looks like. It's so cool. It's bamboo. It has soft bristles, not too hard and not super soft. So it's like a medium strength.
Yeah,
right?
medium.
So they're really
usually
nice.
Works for aligners. You know, guys, to be honest, I'm a big fan of scrunchies, so yeah, we have to get these.
They're so cute. I like these rainbow ones because like it's like tie-dye.
Yeah, especially works for tie-dye day in my school, so.
Yeah, we're sitting too far from the camera.
Yeah.
I'm gonna zoom in on the products. Yeah. So, and then of course the fuzzy scrunchies. You can never have them.
And also,
this is for me because I have so much hair. When I'm cooking, I need something to hold all my hair. So that's the best. And because I try to do different kind of hairstyles, these little, what are they called? These little elastic ponytail holders are the best because you know why? Once you use them, you can just rip them off and you don't have to rip it out of the hair to break your hair. So they're very like smooth.
And durable.
It slips out of your hair effortlessly. And one pack comes with 500 pieces. So that's the best part. So funny. My husband likes to do barbecue every single week.
But guys, who knew? Online, Miss A had this, and I didn't really see it in Miss A.
Can you believe that? And it's so sturdy. It's metal, and then it has rubber bristles, so you can I'm gonna be using it for baking a lot.
Yeah,
it's really
like
nice.
spreading something on something. Oil, like oil.
It's called basting. Basting, you know.
Yeah. And also seasoning kind of.
Yeah. So that's the brush. It has nice, cute bristles. And now my favorite part is we forgot to show them this.
Oh yeah.
See how cool! It's a gold metal, what is it called? Hair holder? What is it?
Yeah. And it's very cute for my mom because she's like gonna wear
I always need it, especially when I'm super hot.
Especially at work, and it's cute because sometimes at work when you're wearing a plain jutki. Yeah, I'm saying it Urdu / it's a jutki, but we call it a
clutch or something. What is it called in English? I don't know.
I think it's a clutcher thing.
Okay, so there's that. And I don't know why I got it. I've never used it before, but it's called the mascara guard. I am obsessed with applying mascara. As you can see, I always have like a lot of mascara on, and I always end up getting it on top of my lid or on the bottom. So I got this because it looks so cool. It's called mascara guard, and yes, it's only $1. And I'm gonna show you in a video how to use it, but I feel like you just put it on your eye and then you do the brush stroke.
Yeah.
So it's better to use. I'm gonna try to use it, but it's so cool and it was only $1. I was like, might as well.
So
I don't know why I lost my very expensive eyebrow brush, and I told her, I was like, Anaya, can you check on the website if they have the eyebrow brush? Like,
yeah,
yes.
I checked it.
She found it in like 2 seconds. I was like, perfect. Add it to the cart. We're getting it.
Backstory, guys.
So to make strokes, and the other side to brush through your eyebrows.
Yeah.
So that just let me show you. See, and then this side to put strokes. How cool is that? How cool is that? So this is the mascara brush.
Oh, and it's so soft.
Yes, it's soft.
It feels like
it's angled and it's sharp, which means that it's gonna give you like nice small strokes of mascara eyebrow product.
First thing is this cute little bracelet. So it's already open. I don't know why, but here.
Let me show you that.
This is like
This looks like a link, and you know what? I saw it on a very expensive website. It was like, I don't know if it was Gucci or Louis or something. I saw it. Wait, what? And I was like, man, this is expensive. Okay, so this is how you do it.
And it's so stylish.
It's so stylish, and it's so like lightweight. I love it.
And mommy needs it because sometimes she has to go to a meeting after work.
Let me show you how.
So, mommy loves this. Oh, it's a heart.
Yeah, it was hard.
Okay, so guys, my mom, there's so many designs of this, but like they're cute earrings, and look at this like texture.
Look at this.
Yeah.
It's hard. You're gonna be seeing me wearing it in one of the
around.
videos. It's so
And guys, and there's.
Thank you for helping me pick it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had this one in triangle and I loved it so much. It was like a little triangle droplet. And then, good thing that Anaya ended up finding me these hearts. So look at these. Do they look like $1 a piece? Oh my god, they're like only $1 a piece. And they look so expensive. Why can I not focus on these? They're so cute.
Guys, look at these ones. Two like loopy things, whatever. Is it my turn to show some jewelry?
Yeah, I'll show you. I have a new one that you can show. You can show the necklace to them.
Yeah, because
these are kind of like rose gold, and this is more of like gold, and I love these. And they're only $1 a piece.
But I don't know if you can see the key, but there's like a tiny key, and it says love. They're too cute.
Miss A was nice enough to sponsor this video, and also we're gonna be choosing one lucky winner, and we're gonna be giving you guys a gift card for $35. You guys get to spend those $35 on Miss A's website, and you can choose anything. Yes, any of these items or anything that you want from the website. Go on the website, you'll be able to find different products under different categories. Like under jewelry, you'll be able to find all kind of different jewelries and stuff like that. Under accessories, you'll be able to find the headbands and everything. So I will definitely encourage you guys to go check out Miss A's official website. I'm gonna link it down below. Go check it out. And if you are interested in our giveaway, that is a giveaway on my Instagram. It is super easy. You don't really have to do a lot, and you will be able to win $35 for the Miss A's website. Only if you want to win $35. The rules are super simple to enter. Go check out my Instagram, follow me there, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to their channel, which is Desi Kidding. I'm gonna link it down below. And thank you so much for watching this video.
Yeah, we love you.
We love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, bye. Open the door. Bye. Oh, sorry. I was just doing the lucky whip. Lucky whip. Lucky whip. Lucky whip. That was kind of funny. What's that? It's recording. No, it's not. Put the record buttons on. No, Mama paused it. Look. It's on. No, it's paused. See, if that's there, then that means it's paused. If it's red with the white around, a white dot, and then put red in the middle, it's paused. And I just go ask Mama. Okay, whatever. She'll probably pop it. Well, I hope you liked that video. And don't forget to subscribe if you already